And I said, as a leader, as a truthful leader, I put leaders on notice that anybody who tries to interfere with that wall, we shall call you out by name so that the people of Kenya can shame you, because we cannot allow the reintroduction of poison disguised as alcohol to come and kill our children. We want as a government to tell the merchants of death, those who thrive on making profits by manufacturing and distilling and distributing and selling poison disguised as alcohol, your days are numbered. And I want to take this opportunity to ask the Church of Christ and other religious organizations to join government so that together we try to save our children. We want the church to play a central role in mentorship, in counseling, in helping in the rehabilitation of those who are already addicted, so that we can save the next generation to be productive men and women for the growth of our economy and the development of our country. As I wind up, let me ask the children of Reverend Kathy to stay near your mom. Losing a companion is not easy. These are a couple that has been together for many years. It may look simple from the face of it, but in a few days, the loneliness will set in. So I want to ask the children to take time to spend with your mother. I want to ask her friends to hang around her. I want to ask the church people to hang around her and hold her hand so that she can get steady, because it's not easy. Reverend Kathy and your children, I want to salute you, because many people may not know. Staying with a cancer patient for 6 years is a big and huge challenge. Cancer is devastating to any family in terms of emotions, in terms of finances. Ask me. My late brother, the governor of Nyeri, Gachagua, was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer in the year 2014. We stayed with him for 4 years trying to save his life. I traveled with him to London, to the US, to India. And the experience drained us as a family, shattered our finances, and we have never recovered to date. What this family has gone through is not easy. Please hold them in prayer and solidify around them. I want to salute you because I know what it means. And cancer is also very painful. And close relatives try to share unsuccessfully the pain of their patient. This servant of God has undergone a lot of pain, and the family has tried to share the pain. So as we move on as a nation, we have made many interventions as a government to come up with an insurance scheme to cover chronic illnesses, because the cost of treating cancer out of this country is beyond many families. As we speak today, many families in this country have harambes every weekend trying to raise millions of shillings to support their loved ones who are suffering from the cancer. I am very encouraged that now we have equipment in this country. The Kenyatta University Referral Hospital today has a PET scan. That scan was only available out of the country several years ago. Today we have equipment in our hospitals that can help in early diagnosis, because most of these cancers, if detected early, can be managed. So it's something that we are doing as a government, and I want to say that a lot of progress is being made to come up with an insurance scheme that will help families who have chronic illnesses, again, to improve the equipment in our hospitals